Comprise enables you to optimize cloud costs by archiving data based on when it was last accessed, unlike cloud providers who only do this based on last modified time. This will enable you to archive data to the most cost-effective storage classes without the risk of increased costs from accessing hot data in cold storage. Start by creating a new plan. Next, create a new group, name it, select buckets, and specify a move policy. You've now configured a policy that will archive data that hasn't been accessed in the last 3 months to Glacier Deep Archive. Note that access logging must be enabled on all buckets added to the plan so that Comprise can perform plan transfers. Right away, you can view the total data planned to move and the cost savings you would realize over 3 years, but starting as soon as your next full month's bill. Of course, you'll likely see higher savings than are shown here since we're only looking at one small bucket. You can view the savings across all your data or just for specific groups of accounts and buckets to help you manage individual business units' data. If you're satisfied with your plan, activate it to start the data transfers. As data ages, Comprise will automatically find and move the aged objects to optimize your data storage and dramatically reduce your storage costs based on actual data use. Note that the data archiving capability is not included in the free trial. You can use data archiving once you license the product.